Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our 6-inch kit for the 2015 to 2020 Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking to set your 4Runner apart, then our 6-inch kit is definitely the way to go. It's going to give you plenty of ground clearance and confidence off-road and great looks on the road. Not only is this kit going to lift and level your 4Runner, but it's going to give you a ride that is uncompromised for the lift. And this lift is going to allow you to run a much larger tire, therefore increasing your tire and wheel options. Now, I couldn't fit everything on the toolbox, but we'll go over briefly all the parts that I do have laid out here. We'll start over here. These are going to be our lifted knuckles. These are going to ensure that you keep a factory geometry on your suspension. Next up, we've got our strut spacers. This is going to allow you to add the lift without having to disassemble your strut assembly. Below that, we've got our sway bar brackets. These are going to ensure that your sway bar angles stay factory. Coming up front here, we've got a differential drop bracket. That, in conjunction with our front cross members, is going to make sure that your CV angles are within tolerances. For protection, coming this way, we've got one of the 2 skid plates included with the kit. Stepping this way, we've got our rear track bar. This is going to ensure that your rear end stays centered with the vehicle. We've got one of the 2 N3 shock absorbers included for the rear. We've got one of the 2 control arms included for the rear, both rear sway bar links, and these beefy boys are going to be your rear lift coils. Now, this is a more involved install. We list it as a 4 to 6 hour installation from start to finish. If you don't feel confident that you can do this yourself, we definitely have dealers in your area that can take care of it for you. Just check out our dealer locator. So if you've got a Toyota 4Runner and you're ready to go big or go home, don't go home. Go to roughcountry.com and get your lift kit today.